Hello everyone, I'm Oshin Oluwatoyin from Crochetropesnthings. Today we're going to be learning how to make use of pom-pom maker to make our pom-pom. So as you can see, here is a pom-pom maker. It has two sides. You can bring it out like this. So it has these two sides whereby you're going to wrap your yarn. So I think you're going to find it interesting. So what you're going to do is you're going to wrap our yarn around each side of the pom-pom. So you bring out the sides like this, then take your yarn, start wrapping. Be sure that your yarn does not go like this. Make sure everything is here. You can wrap like this down to this side. You go to one side, then you go to the other side, like I'm doing, going back, wrapping it back. So can go again. Be sure it's not going anywhere to get your desired thickness. So keep on going like that, then I'll meet you when I'm through. Okay, now I've wrapped mine. I wrapped it like 10 times. That's toe through, 10 times. So now what I will have to do is to take my scissors, snip this piece off like this, and then I clip it. Then I have to do the same, wrap it around 10 times on this other side. Then I'll meet you after wrapping it. Okay, now we have done the second one, so we're going to take scissors as usual, snip it off and clip it to this. So the next thing we're going to do is to actually cut it through like this, cut like this, cut it like this. So in some cases, if you don't have in some cases we use what's it called now, a razor blade to just cut it straight like this, or you use scissors. But sometimes if you don't have a very sharp scissors, you might not be able to do it. So what you're going to do is that you start like this. You can just pick a little up, cut it, make sure it's in the center, and your hand is on this so that it doesn't open. You know, I showed you that it can be opened. So you keep on going like that, you cut. But if you cannot use scissors, you can use blade, but you have to be careful while using blade. Make sure you are cutting it in the center. You can see. So cutting it. It is too thick, you might not be able to cut it everything at once. So keep cutting like this. So almost done with this cutting. Still make sure that this place is tight. Make sure it doesn't remove so that it will not unravel. So you have to be very careful. I think that's the last one. Okay, so I think we are through with this. So I'll cut the other one and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, we are back. I've cut the two sides, so you can see there's nothing there. I've cut it. So you cut yarn like this. You can make it fall like this. Then come here, put it inside. So you tie it. It should be tight, but don't let it cut. come to the other side and tie again. And tie it one more time to secure it so that it doesn't unravel. So after you're done, told you, what you can do is that you take this place off, remove it like this, come to the side also, remove it. So what do we do? Split into two, remove it back, and keep your pom-pom baker, then bring out and so look what we have here. We have a nice pom-pom. So you're not through yet. You get your scissors, very sharp one. You have to, cut and make sure it is even. Give it a clean and even cut. So keep cutting and cutting until you have your desired shape, and so you're good to go. So not through yet, still have to keep on cutting and cutting, but you have to be careful not to cut too much, so that because the more you cut, the more you reduce your pom-pom. So I hope you like it. God bless you. Okay, you're welcome back. Let's try and fix our pom-pom on top of our beanie. So what we do is that we're going to insert our hook here. Sorry, that's the center of the beanie. So we just take this and pull through so that you have it here. Okay, you have all the yarns here. So then this is for my yarn there. So what we have to do is we can actually tie this together first. Just pull, tie, then take it like this, tie this, tie it one more time to secure it, then maybe one more time. Okay, so then you can take our scissors and we snap it off. So we have our beanie on top. So I think I've taught us how to weave in our end. You take your tapestry needle, plastic needle with a big eye. So you put your yarn inside. So this is the inside. So you put it like this. So to do, just go like this. Let's go. So you can do it in the opposite side back, just like this. Then you snap it off. Good to go. Then that is your beanie. Is the back. At your back, you can see this is your front. You can only tell the difference between the back and the front. And here you go with your beanie with pom-pom. I hope you like it. God bless you.